We all possess an incredible gift memory. It's a boundless landscape within us, holding experiences, dreams, and knowledge. But are we using it to its fullest? The law of association and recall is the key to unlocking this power. It's about making connections, weaving a rich tapestry of memories that enrich our lives. Think of your memory as a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. And just like any muscle, it needs exercise. That's where the law of association comes in. It's about linking new information with what you already know, creating a web of connections that make memories stick. Remember the joy of learning something new? It's within your grasp to experience that every single day. By actively engaging your memory, you open yourself to a world of possibilities. You become a better learner, a more confident individual, and you unlock the potential for incredible personal growth. It's time to tap into this power. It's time to unlock your memory's full potential. Let's embark on a simple exercise together. Find a place you've never been before, maybe a park bench, a cozy coffee shop, or a bustling street corner. Take a few moments to truly observe your surroundings. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell? Engage all your senses. Notice the details, the pattern on the leaves, the laughter of children playing, the aroma of freshly baked bread. Let these sensory experiences imprint themselves in your mind. Now walk away. Take a few steps, then stop. Close your eyes and try to recall as many details as you can about that place. What color was the bench? How many people were sitting at the cafe? What kind of birdsong did you hear? Open your eyes and return to the spot. Compare your recollections with reality. You might be surprised by how much you remember. This simple exercise is a powerful demonstration of the law of association in action. This exercise isn't just a one-time activity. It's a practice, a daily ritual you can incorporate into your life. Make it a habit to consciously observe your surroundings, wherever you are. On your commute to work, pay attention to the buildings you pass, the people you see. During your lunch break, savor the flavors of your food, the conversations around you. In the evening, reflect on your day, recalling the moments that stood out. By practicing this daily, you're not just sharpening your memory, you're also cultivating mindfulness. You're becoming more present, more attuned to the world around you. And as your memory strengthens, so too will your confidence, your creativity, and your overall well-being. It's amazing how such a simple practice can have such a profound impact on your life. But don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself and see the difference it makes. What's truly remarkable about this journey is its universality. It doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, or what your background is. The power of memory is within everyone. We all share this incredible ability to learn, to grow, and to connect with the world through our senses. And we all have the capacity to improve our memory through simple, consistent effort. It's never too late to start. Whether you're a student, a professional, or enjoying your retirement years, the benefits of a strong memory are invaluable. It's about living a richer, fuller life, one where you can truly savor every experience. So let's embrace the power that lies within us. Let's unlock our memories and step into a world of limitless possibilities. Section 5. Stars in your mind, cosmic connections and enhanced recall. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of awe and wonder at the vastness of the universe? The stars, those distant suns, have captivated humanity for millennia. They've guided our ancestors, inspired myths and legends, and continue to ignite our imaginations. Just as constellations form patterns in the sky, we can create patterns within our minds. By associating new information with vivid images or emotions, we make them more memorable. Our brains remember things that are emotionally charged or linked to strong sensory experiences. So the next time you're trying to remember something important, look to the stars. Let their ancient light spark your imagination and guide you to a stronger memory. Section 6. A universe within unlocking growth through memory. Our memories are a universe unto themselves, a vast and intricate web of connections. Each experience, each piece of information we acquire adds another star to this internal cosmos. And as we strengthen our memory, we expand this universe, making it richer, brighter, and more meaningful. Think about it. Every skill you've acquired, every language you've learned, every relationship you've cherished, all made possible by the power of memory. It's the foundation upon which we build our lives, the tool that allows us to grow, evolve, and leave our mark on the world. But memory is more than just storing information. It's about making connections, seeing patterns, and understanding the world around us. It's about unlocking our creative potential, solving problems, and making informed decisions. By nurturing our memory, we're not just enhancing a single faculty. We're unlocking the potential of our entire being. We're opening ourselves up to a lifetime of learning, growth, and fulfillment. The Section 7, Beyond Recall, the Transformative Power of Association. The law of association isn't just about recalling facts and figures. It's about making sense of the world, connecting the dots, and finding meaning in our experiences. When we associate new knowledge with our existing understanding, we create a deeper level of comprehension. We move beyond rote memorization and into true learning, where information transforms into wisdom. These associations connect us to our past, present, and future, reminding us of who we are and where we want to go. As Section 8, Living a More Vibrant Life. Memory as the key. Imagine a life where you can recall names and faces with ease, where you can effortlessly absorb new information, where you can share stories and experiences with clarity and detail. This is the power of a strong memory, and it's within your reach. A sharp memory doesn't just make you a trivia master, it enhances every aspect of your life. It boosts your confidence, improves your communication skills, and allows you to fully engage with the world around you. Imagine traveling to a new country and being able to converse with locals in their language. Picture yourself captivating a room with your storytelling abilities or effortlessly recalling important details in a professional setting. These are just a few examples of how a strong memory can enrich your life. It's about living with more confidence, more joy, and a deeper appreciation for the beauty that surrounds you. Section 9. Embrace the challenge. Your journey to a stronger memory starts today. Improving your memory isn't about becoming a superhuman. It's about embracing a journey of continuous learning and growth. It's about challenging yourself, stepping outside your comfort zone, and discovering the limitless potential of your mind. Just like any worthwhile endeavor, it requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to embrace new habits. But the rewards far outweigh the challenges. Start small. Incorporate the observation exercise into your daily routine. Challenge yourself to learn something new every day, whether it's a new word, a historical fact, or a scientific concept. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and every step you take towards a stronger memory is a step towards a more fulfilling and vibrant life. Section 10. The Gift of Memory, a treasure to cherish and cultivate. Our memories are precious. They hold the stories of our lives, the laughter and tears, the triumphs and challenges that have shaped us into who we are today. They connect us to our loved ones, both present and past, and allow us to relive cherished moments. They are a testament to our resilience, our capacity for love, and our enduring spirit. Yet we often take this gift for granted. We allow ourselves to become forgetful, to let precious memories fade, to miss out on the richness of the present moment. Let us make a conscious effort to cherish and cultivate this extraordinary gift. Let us practice the art of remembering, of making connections, of weaving together the tapestry of our lives with intention and care. For in honoring our memories, we honor ourselves and the incredible journey that is life. Section 11. A Brighter Future. Unlock your potential through the power of memory. As we stand on the cusp of the future, the power of memory has never been more vital. In a world overflowing with information, the ability to learn, adapt, and evolve is paramount. And at the heart of it all lies our memory, the key to unlocking our potential, achieving our dreams, and making a meaningful impact on the world. By embracing the law of association and recall, by cultivating mindfulness and engaging in memory-boosting practices, we empower ourselves to navigate the complexities of the 21st century and beyond. Let us use this power wisely, ethically, and compassionately. Let us harness the potential of our minds to create a brighter future for ourselves, our communities, and generations to come. The journey starts now. The power is within you. Unlock your memory and unlock your extraordinary potential.